Hey there, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you how to apply grainy effect on, these colorful abstract forms. It's also pretty popular nowadays on the internet. It's applied on abstract forms, and I'm going to show you how it's done. First thing, right click on your colorful layer and convert that into smart object. From here, go to filter, filter gallery, go to the texture, and here you got the grain. Here you can increase the intensity of the grain, or you also can increase the contrast, but it's not recommended. And as you can see, it's gonna make these areas pretty grainy, which looks pretty good. You also can change it to soft. I think this is one of the best ones. Kind of does the same thing at the end of the day, but yeah, it looks pretty good. And I also tested these, but for me it didn't give the right results. Probably good for something else. So yeah, mainly this is it. I'm gonna click OK, and here you can see the filter gallery. Also, it applied a small filter. You can double click on it, you're gonna reappear again, and you can modify it and click OK. And this was it. Thanks for watching. If you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified with updates, and also check out the other videos. Have a good one. Bye bye.